Now see the first question. In figure, E is any point on median AD of triangle ABC. Show that area of ABE equals to area of ACE. Now this is a triangle, okay, and this AD is the median of triangle, and E is any point on median AD. Now we have to prove that area of ABE, that means this triangle, is equals to area of ACE, that means this triangle. Okay, now let's see the answer. See, in triangle ABC, AD is median. This is given to us that AD is median. Now if AD is median, then this will divide the triangle into two equal triangles. So we can say that area of ABD will be equal to area of ACD. Okay, name this as equation number 1. Now why these two triangles are equal? Reason will be since a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Now since this AD is median, that means this D is the midpoint of BC, that means this is equals to this. Okay, so we can say that ED will be the median of EBC. Okay, so similarly in triangle EBC, ED is median, this ED is median. Okay, so again area of EBD will be equal to area of ECD. Name this as equation number 2, and reason will be same. This what we have written in the previous one. Here you will write the same reason. Okay, now from equation number 1 and 2, this is our equation number 2 and this 1, and this is our equation number 2. Now what we will do, we will subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1. So first write equation number 1, since we have to subtract equation 2 from 1. Okay, so first we will write area of ABD, then minus area of EBD is equals to area of ACD minus area of ECD. Now area of ABD minus area of EBD is equals to this triangle, so this will be equal to area of ABE. Okay, then is equals to area of ACD minus area of ECD will be equal to this triangle, so this will be equal to area of ACE, and this is what we have to prove in our first question. So we can write hence proved. Now let's see the second question. In a triangle ABC, E is the midpoint of median AD. Now in this it is given that this is a triangle ABC, okay, and AD is the median, okay, and this E is the midpoint of AD. Okay, E is the midpoint of AD. Now we have to show that area of BED is equals to 1 by 4 of area of ABC. Okay, now let's see the answer. In solution, first of all we know that AD is median of ABC. So in triangle ABC, AD is median. Now if this AD is median, that means area of ABD will be equal to area of ACD. This we have written. Okay, why? Because reason will be a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Now we also know that if these two areas are equal, then one of them will be equal to half of full triangle. So we can say that area of ABD is equals to half of full triangle ABC. Okay, now name this as equation number 1. Now similarly we will take triangle ABD. Now in triangle ABD, we know that E is the midpoint of AD. Okay, that means this B will be the median of this triangle. Now if this B is the median, then area of these two triangles will be equal. So area of BED is equals to area of ABE. Now if the area of these two are equal, then we can say that area of BED will be equal to half of this full triangle. So area of BED is equals to half of area of ABD. Okay. Now we will put the value of ABD from equation number 1. What is the value of ABD? Half of area of ABC. So put its value. Area of BED will be equal to half, then half of area of ABC from equation number 1. Okay. Now solve this. Area of BED is equals to 1 by 4. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 of area of ABC. And this is what we have to prove. So we can write hence proved. Now I will give you one example to explain why this one part is equals to half of full part. Okay, see, suppose this is a triangle, okay, and this is the median. Now A, B, C, and this is D. Now area of ABD, this one, ABD is equals to area of ACD. Okay. Now suppose the area of both is X. Okay. So X plus X will be equal to area of ABC, full triangle. Okay. Now 2x will be equal to area of ABC. Okay. Now x will be equal to, this 2 will go here, so area of ABC upon 2, or we can write it as x will be equal to half of area of ABC. Now this x is equals to ABD and ACD, so area of ABD is equals to half of area of ABC. This is how we got this step. Okay, so you don't have to write this full explanation, you can directly write this step. Okay, so this is just for making you understand. Thank you everyone. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and stay connected with A1 study classes.